Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Anisha. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Aiche. So, one of the most commonly asked questions is, why is the he written in Acoli Pro Evo TV, the Evo, the E written in small, then the V and T is written in capital? Evo, E in small, then V and O is in capital. Well, E is written in small to represent, the letter does not mean environment. No, don't mistake it as environment. VO, no. But the E written in small is to bring you the sense and wonder, why is it like that? And now you have the reason. Is that we focus, we make sure our production and encourage other people's production to be environmental friendly. All our contents are produced with renewable energy, which for now it is still solar, but we're also planning to bring in dynamo motion. I don't know how I should call it. We're still making research to build it. So it is something that we have already considered, and we will make sure that it happens. So renewable energy, that is environmental protection, and we will also roll out a lot of programs if we get partners to conserve the environment, because environment will remain important forever. It will not change. It's not like when you say Nokia is no longer in the market, no. These days Samsung is the trend. There's no trend for environment. It's always needed to be okay forever, and any relaxation on it brings problem to us. So that is it in this short video. Thank you very much for sparing your time on this. I think I'll meet you in another video if you're already subscribed. Nice time.